Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making breakfast wrap. You guys, this is another way to spice up your breakfast recipe. Very easy and super delicious. So keep watching and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. To make this recipe, I will be using mushroom. I'm peeling the skin. You can also wash. I prefer this method because it helps it dry faster when cooking. You guys, mushroom contains lots of moisture, so I think washing method makes it absorb more water. I will cut into bite sizes. Transfer in a pot, cover and allow it to cook on a medium heat until it dries up. In the same pan, I will pan fry my sausage. I will break it apart and allow it to cook. This sausage is already spiced, so no need of salt or whatsoever. I'm going to allow it to cook and set aside. Next, I will add oil in a pan. Allow it to heat up. I'm going to add my chopped onions and allow it to fry for 3 minutes. Next, I will add bell peppers, stir well to combine, and add the cooked mushroom. I'm going to season with seasoning cube, chili flakes and all-purpose seasoning. I will give it a good stir and add eggs. I will mix very well to combine. Cover and allow it to cook on a medium heat. Few minutes later, I check on it and give it a good mix so that it will cook very well. Once that is done, I will add the sausage and finish it up with spring onions. Mix very well and set aside. Next, I will portion it in a tortilla wrap. Add the egg sauce. To make it creamy, I will add soft cheese. I will wrap it up as demonstrated in the video. You guys, this breakfast wrap is so delicious and filling. I will continue the process until I am done. Once it's nicely wrapped up, I will grease my pan with oil and allow it to heat up. Next, I will transfer the wrap to the pan and pan fry it to get a nice crust. And we are done. You guys, this recipe is worth trying. It turned out so delicious. I hope you give it a try. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!